I skimmed across black water without once submerging onto the banks of another morning. The hunger's the first light, much, much more than the mountains ever do. And she, like a ghost beside me, goes down the knees of a dolphin and emerges unlearned, unchained, unharmed. And she is a perfect creature, natural in every feature, and I am the geek with the alchemist lore. For all of you who must discover, for all who seek to understand, for having left the path of others, you'll find a very special hand. And it is a holy thing, and it is a precious time, and it is the only way. Forget-me-nots among the snow, it's always been, or so it goes, to ponder his death and his life eternally. For all of you who must discover, for all who seek to understand, for having left the path of others, you find a very special hand. And it is a holy thing, and it is a precious time, and it is the only way. Forget-me-nots among the snow, it's always been, or so it goes, to ponder his death and his life eternally. One bright blue rose outlives all those, 2,000 years or so it goes, to ponder his death and his life eternally.
Beautiful.
The little boats are gone from the breast of Ireland and Fleadh. The merry men stand along the lea. But the lovely comes his time, and the wave life is gone, and Molly it was part of her days gold. Where the strawberry beds slip down to the Fleadh, with kiss away the working on brow. I love you well today, I love you more tomorrow. If you ever love me, Molly, love me now.
How are you?
The help we've got to stay fine. I hope to stay fine. We've got worse so far.
It's so.
I knew that the field was up. Soon enough.
Hi, Jim.